This video is going to cover Balasana, child's pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go in depth on child's pose, which is one of the more basic beginner poses, but it is incredible. It's a really good thing to go into whenever you are feeling tired. If you're doing a intense yoga practice, it's always a nice option. And it helps you stay limber, and mobility is something that I'm very passionate about. So we are going to come to our hands and knees. Placing the hands under the shoulders, the knees under the hips. You can either have the knees under the hips, bring them close together, or take a wider stance with your knees. And we're just going to slowly bring our hips down to our heels, engaging our glutes, engaging our core, stretch out. Just reach out. You can relax your head to the mat. You can have your arms stretched out and just relax and release. Check in with the breathing. Inhaling through the nose, breathing into the belly, exhaling through the nose. Just staying with the breath as we continue to really release. While we do yoga, releasing is where it's at. You want to just release into the postures on the exhale. Good job. Now we'll make it more active. We're going to push the mat away with the hands. We're going to push the hips into the heels, really activating our palms, activating our shoulders, trying to make this whole posture more active. Having some resistance in the shoulders. Good job. And after we hang out here for a few breaths, just making child's pose a little more active, we're going to walk our hands to the right side. Just going as far over as you can, keeping your hips on your heels, and maybe crossing that left wrist over the right, or putting the left hand on the right wrist. Just feeling your breath go into your side body, expanding out to the side and into the back. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Well done. Go to the opposite side. Just walk the hands across. And then maybe take that right hand, cross it over the left wrist. I'm trying to keep your hips on your heels, adjusting so that it is so. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Just letting the head hang heavy. Feeling the breath go into the back and the side. Feeling a good stretch on the right side. Just staying with the breath. Walk the hands back to center. And just release for another moment or two. Just let it all go. Just stay with the breath. Observing your thoughts, observing your emotions in a non-judgmental manner. How are you feeling after doing this? A little better, maybe? Well done. And then just make your way to a seated position. all these flower petals on the ground. I can weave them with my hair. I put them where horns would be. Ha 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 ha. Nature is so bountiful and amazing. Gonna be doing yoga lattes and be like, oh my god. Whatever. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Balasana is incredible. It's one of the more restorative, restive postures, but it can be incorporated into a deeper practice too. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check me out on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.